I needed a quick and easy dinner. Dill flavored fried chicken. Let's make it.
Okay, let's get to work. You'll notice here I'm using chicken drumsticks. Why? Because it's a recession and those were on sale. You can use chicken legs, chicken thighs, chicken breasts, whatever you fancy, whatever you prefer. Okay, next, pickle juice. I finally found a use for the leftover pickle juice once I finished eating all the pickles. Just pour it right over all the chicken. You'll see that nice minced garlic. Now we'll start seasoning it up. I'm adding some more garlic powder, onion powder, and a little bit of cayenne pepper and smoked paprika. I'm gonna cover these all up, seal them, and put them in the fridge to marinate for about an hour. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and prepare my seasoning. I'm starting out with some cayenne pepper, garlic powder, some smoked paprika, onion powder, some red chili. We'll throw in just a pinch of salt and some black pepper. Now we'll go ahead and give those spices a really good mix. You'll notice that I've now drained the pickle juice out of the dish, and I'm gonna go ahead and season the chicken generously. I'll give all of those drumsticks a turn so I can season both sides. Give that seasoning just a nice press down into the chicken. That way it'll adhere a little bit better. You'll notice here I am using a large Ziploc freezer bag. I am tired of doing dishes. I'm loading up that bag with the chicken drumsticks. I'm gonna go ahead and add in about 1/3 cup of flour. Seal that bag up and give it a really good mix. We'll just toss it around a little bit here. For all these drumsticks, I simply needed 1 whole egg. I've added in a little bit of almond milk. I'll give that a quick whisk. Get that mixed up really nice. And then I'm gonna go ahead and pour it directly into that bag. And I'll seal it up again and give this a really good shake. I'll flip it over and just make sure I blend everything together so all the chicken is coated with our egg wash. Okay, next up, in the same glass dish, you'll notice here I'm using cornflake crumbs. These actually have a really good flavor and they give a really good coating to the chicken as well. I'll go ahead and add that chicken right in there. Make sure you don't jam up that dish too much, otherwise you'll just be making more work for yourself to try and get all of your chicken coated. I had a little bit of spice left over, so I've gone ahead and I've added that right on top of the chicken. Now I can start giving these all a twist and turn inside those cornflake crumbs and get each drumstick coated nicely. These are gonna have a really good crunch when they're cooked. Now keep in mind, you can either deep fry these or you can air fry them. I like air frying these. Again, less to clean afterwards, and it cooks it a little bit faster for me too. A little bit healthier, I think, as well. All right, they're all loaded up, so we're gonna go ahead and put those in the air fryer, hit the button, and come back and see them once they're on their way cooking. Look how crispy and golden brown those are already. It's a quick and easy chicken recipe and makes for great street food. I like my chicken crispy, so I give them a few extra minutes in that air fryer. I'm gonna go ahead and load up my board with all this chicken. Remember, if you want, you can add some hot sauce, you can add some garlic sauce to dip, you can have ranch or blue cheese, whatever type of sauce you want. But let me tell you something, this spice mixture is so good with this dill pickle flavor, you're not gonna need to add anything onto that chicken. These are just delicious. I want you to enjoy this crunch. This is comfort food and street food at its finest. We're about to get in there and give this a taste. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share.
That's it. Crushed cornflakes, pickle juice, a whole lot of spice. This should be a great dinner. Look at that. Dip it in your favorite hot sauce if you want. Oh, that's delicious. Boom! That is so good. This is so good. Doesn't even need the hot sauce. Look. That's still steaming. That dill flavor is fantastic. That's finger licking good. That's amazing. That's amazing. These are amazing. Check that out. What a drumstick. Incredible how good they are. Wow. No hot sauce required. Just spice them up just like you saw me do them. Boom!